After you have successfully installed the commander in your Tesla and paired it with a sexy app, it's time to program your buttons to perform the actions you want. First, open the buttons section in the app and tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. A prompt will appear asking you to press and hold the physical button you want to pair with the commander. Go ahead and do that. Hold it until you see a success message on the screen. If the app gives you an error, just release the button for a second and try again, making sure you press it firmly. Once your first button is paired, you will see that an action is automatically assigned to it, usually the Open Glove Box feature. You can test it right away to confirm the connection. If you want to change that action, just tap the Assign feature. You'll enter a list of supported actions. Scroll through the catalog and pick the feature you would like to assign to that button. Make sure to read the description carefully, as some features come with extra usage instructions. Not sure what a feature does? Just tap Try Action in the bottom left corner. But keep in mind, some features only work in specific car states, like drive or reverse. If you are in park, you might not see anything happen. Once you have selected your feature, tap Save Action in the bottom right corner. Right after saving, you will see a new button appear, Add Another Action. This is for creating macros, letting you combine multiple actions in a single button press. For example, I have programmed mine so that a single press opens the glove box and turns on the dome lights. You can add up to 3 actions per macro and up to 3 macros per button. One for a single press, one for a double press, and one for a long press, which takes about 2 seconds. Note that adding double or long press actions introduce a slight delay. This helps the system detect whether you are doing a single, double, or long press. To rename a button, tap the visualization icon. There, you can change the name. For example, I like to name mine based on the button's location in the car. You can also adjust the lettering shown on the button, especially if it came pre-labeled from the box. If you no longer want to use that button, scroll to the bottom of the page and tap Remove Button. This will delete its setup and remove it from the app. If your sexy button isn't performing as expected, a hard reset might help. Just press and hold the button for 15 seconds or until it stops flashing. Then, go back to step 1 and repair it through the sexy app. If your button's battery has died, or you have purchased the optional white bezel from enhauto.com, here's what to do. Use your fingernails or a small tool to remove the black bezel, starting from the small notch on the side. Gently take apart the components until you reach the PCB and the battery holder. Use the same small tool to remove the old battery and replace it with a new CR2032 coin cell. Reassemble all parts and press them together firmly. That's it. This was the entire setup process of your sexy buttons. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos.